Good morning, friends. Wow, that was a huge cough. Didn't mean to hype you up there. Anyway, did you get a flu shot this year? It is very important to protect those who are unable to get a shot by protecting yourself so others can stay well. Just think about it.
'Tis the season for influenza. Dr. Allen?
Whenever you cough, sneeze, achoo, cut it. Cut the germs off at the source.
Cut it, 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 cut it. Them bricks is way too high, you need to cut it. Your price is way too high, you need to cut it. Cut it, 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 cut it.
Thank you for helping JMM to stay healthy and most importantly, cutting the germs. Oh yeah, I forgot. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. That's very healthy. I like it.